mouse. The cat and the mouse play in the house. The cat bit the mouse tail off. Pray please give me my tail. No, says the cat. I will not give you your tail till you go to the cow and fetch me some milk. First she leaped and then she ran till she came to the cow and thus began. Pray cow, give me milk that I might give cat milk, that cat might give me my own tail again. No, said the cow, I will give you no milk till you go to farmer and get me some hay. First she leaped and then she ran till she came to the farmer and thus began. Pray farmer give me hay that I might give cow hay, that cow might give me milk, that I might give cat milk, that cat might give me my own tail again. Yes, says the baker, I will give you some bread, but if you eat my milk, I will cut off your head. Then the baker gave mouse bread, and mouse gave baker bread, and baker gave mouse meat, and mouse give farmer meat, and farmer give mouse hay, and house give cow hay, and cow give mouse milk, and mouse give cat milk, and cat give mouse her own tail again.